Hey everyone! Today we're going through the 4 key steps to create and publish a custom form in ClickUp. This process allows you to collect data, automatically turn submissions into tasks, and manage collaboration more effectively. First, access and log into ClickUp. First, you need to sign in to access your central workspace. Go to Login page, navigate to the official ClickUp login page. Enter credentials, enter the email address and password linked to your account. Log in. Click the Log In button to enter the main workspace homepage. The workspace is the central hub where projects, tasks, and collaboration tools are managed. Next, create and choose a form type. You will use the main creation menu to start the form building process. Locate icon, find the plus sign, the Create Icons icon, in your workspace. Select Form. Click the icon to reveal options like Task, Document, and Form. Select Form. Choose Structure. Pick a form type, either a template, pre-designed layouts, or custom, a blank canvas to build from scratch. Next, customize the form fields. Use the drag-and-drop interface to add and configure all the necessary fields. Add fields. Use the drag-and-drop interface to add various field types like text box, drop-down list, or date picker onto the canvas. A field is an individual input element that collects a specific piece of information. Configure. For each field, edit the label and settings, such as making it required or adding placeholder text. Naming and instructions. Provide a clear form name and, optionally, add instructions for the respondents on how to fill it out. Next, publish and share the form. Once customization is complete, publish the form and choose how to distribute it. Publish. After finalizing the design, publish the form to make it active for data collection. Choose method. Select the best method to share the form based on your audience and objectives. Embed. Insert the form directly onto a website. Link. Share the URL via email, social media, or chat. Integration. Attach the form to existing ClickUp tasks or documents. Test. Test the form before wide distribution to ensure all fields work and data is captured correctly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.